Progress doesn't mean hitting the reset button. Some of the best upgrades we've seen didn't start with a blank slate. They started right on the systems our customers already know and love. Because if it works, why throw it out? Sometimes it's not about a giant overhaul. It's about those quick wins that make everyone's day easier. Think cleaner info at your fingertips, or automating the tasks no one wants to do anyway. Your knowledge base is like your frontline support agent that never sleeps. Pull up your top 10 most viewed articles, then check. Are they accurate? Easy to scan? Do they have screenshots or short videos? If your most popular content is outdated or hard to follow, you're basically training customers to open a ticket instead of helping themselves. If it's repetitive and doesn't need a human touch, let AI handle it, from data entry to status updates. Look for repetitive, rules-based tasks that eat up agent time. Those are your AI-ready wins. If it's predictable, data-driven, and no one loves doing it, chances are AI can handle it. When you're ready to try AI, use our sandboxing services to see how real-time transcription or agent assist work with your setup before you commit. We'll find where AI can make the biggest impact without rip and replace. Book a consultant to explore your use cases today at amctechnology.com.